Hello, Chinyere Ogugu is my name. Working on my sheep heart dissection. The fibrous pericardium, the visceral pericardium is the wrapping around the heart. The parietal pericardium is another wrap inside. It's an internal wrap. The apex of the heart is this tip here, the end portion of the heart. The base is where we have all the big vessels. The right atrium, left atrium. The right atrium carries deoxygenated blood, which is received from the inferior vena cava, the superior vena cava, and the coronary sinus. So the right atrium carries deoxygenated blood. Moving on is the left and right auricles. Left and right auricles. They are dark brown and reddish in color. Dark brown and reddish in color. The right ventricle. On the dorsal side. The right ventricle. Right ventricle. The ventricular sulcus is this line here that divides the right and left ventricles. The pulmonary trunk is one of these big giant openings here. Pulmonary trunk. The aorta. The aorta. The ascending aorta. Ascending aorta. The aorta arc. Here's the aorta arc. The right and left auricles are used as reservoirs. They are used as reservoirs to hold more blood. The left and right auricles are used to hold more blood. The intraventricular sulcus can also be called right and left coronary sulcus. It can also be called left and right coronary sulcus. The blood from the pulmonary trunk, the blood from this pulmonary trunk is deoxygenated and it is going to the lungs. The aorta carries oxygenated blood. The aorta carries oxygenated rich red blood to other parts of the heart. Okay, like I was saying, the ascending aorta, the aorta arc, the brachiocephalic trunk. Brachiocephalic trunk is down here. Left common carotid sinus. The left common carotid sinus. Left subclavicular is the left subclavian artery. Whatever it's called. Left subclavian, right here toward the end. The next is the superior vena cava. The superior vena cava. There are vessels and the bloods are going into the right atrium. The blood from this vessel, the superior vena cava, is going into the right atrium. Next is the inferior vena cava. The inferior vena cava down here, there are vessels also. The blood, they are also vessels. Not arteries, they are vessels. Next is the coronary sinus. The coronary sinus is carries a deoxygenated blood. The coronary sinus carries deoxygenated blood. Now, cut it off. Organ of this shape, heart. The pectinate valve. Pectinate valve. The myocardium, left and right myocardium of left ventricle, or the myocardium of left and right ventricle. And the left is thicker than the right. The left myocardium is thicker than the right because the left pumps more blood and supplies to most part of the body. The left pumps more blood and supplies to most part of the body, while the right only supplies to the lungs. The right only supplies to the lungs. Next is trabecular canal. The trabecular canal is here in this inside of this, like a canal, the trabecular canal. Next is the tricuspid valve. The tricuspid valve, if you can see inside here, is the tricuspid valve. Next is, that is the bicuspid. Bicuspid. The tricuspid valve, or the bicuspid, the tricuspid valve, the tricuspid valve. Next is the chordae tendineae. Chordae tendineae. The chordae tendineae are these muscles down here. Chordae tendineae. Internal. Oh God. They are tendons. They are tendons. Next is the papillary muscles. The papillary muscles also can be found inside here. These are the papillary muscles, well-formed muscles. Next is the pulmonary subclavicle valve, or pulmonary SL valve. These are the valves in here. The pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve. Underneath the superior vena cava, the pulmonary valve. Next will be the aortic valve. The aortic valve can also be found underneath, on this side of the behind the aorta, right here.